Hello my friend, now I will show you how to reset the Android board. Okay, at first please prepare a mouse and a USB disk. Okay, and now connect the USB disk to my laptop, to my computer, and then I will copy the file to my USB driver. Okay, and please make sure the name is correct. The name, this is the name. Okay, nothing inside, this is correct. Okay, please make sure the name is the same with me, and then I will copy it to my USB disk. Okay, now it is in my USB disk. Okay, and then I will remove the USB driver from my computer. Okay, and now I will connect the USB driver to the red Android board. Okay. And then it will be reset by itself. Yes, it's restarting. You don't need to do anything. Just connect the USB disk to the red board USB port, and it is restarting. Start up. Okay, and you have to remove the USB disk. And now it is resetted. Yes, but right now we have to adjust the screen direction. Yes. Okay. You can see the display and main screen rotation, angle. We can choose 19. After you change it, and it will be restart. Okay, it is still not correct. We can calibrate it again. Display, main screen rotation 200. Yeah, now it is correct. Okay, and now we have to connect Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is connected. Next step, we have to install the app. For other things, need to remind. Maybe sometimes if you reset the machine, and maybe the touch screen will be not correct. If you click setting, maybe it will be ping phone. So we need use a mouse and connect, and then we can use a mouse control the machine and go to setting and other setting. You can see the touch celebration. We can change it. If it's not correct, we can change it. But now it is correct, so we don't need to change it right now. Yeah, it is also have the angle, different angles, maybe 19 or 217. For this machine, we don't need to do it. Okay. It's okay for this. Only need to install the app, and I will install the app. Okay, and after reset the machine, and you can connect the USB driver to your computer, and then you can delete it. You have to delete it, because if you connect it to the Android again, and it will be reset again. So you need to delete it. 慢点，对。Okay. 删掉。Now we will delete it. Okay. And after that, I will copy a app to the USB, to my USB driver. Okay. Now I will copy a app.
张铁。它不会张铁。你不是说拷到这里吗？
Now the app is in my USB driver. Okay. I will remove the USB driver, and now I will install the APK. Yes. File Manager, and yeah, you can see the USB is pop out. Clean USB, and this is the app. Waiting for its install. Okay, it will come to this page. You can make them to default. Just click confirm. Okay, it is done. Yes. And then remove the USB driver. Everything is fine right now.